And we're back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscaping, showing you what it looks like before we get ready to install our sod. We are going to be bringing in the topsoil sediment, but we've already tilled this ground up significantly. We're getting rid of those last remaining pieces of grass. But it does say, folks, if you're looking for an outdoor landscape transformation, you want to make sure you're tuning in to IGTV Landscaping on Instagram. Also, you want to make sure you're tuning in to Brooks Landscaping right here on YouTube. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. And then you can find all of our videos at brookslandscaping.tv. But let's get straight to it. Back at it again, folks. As you can see, this beautiful ZEON ZOYSIA sod is going to be one of the best turf grass your money can buy, and it's absolutely about to transform this customer's landscape. Now, they thought they was getting a Bermuda sod, but as a show of appreciation for our veterans, he's a 25-year decorated military veteran. On Memorial Day, we're going to be putting in this beautiful ZEON ZOYSIA sod. That's saving him $5,400 on his overall thought process of this installation. We saved this customer $5,400 for Memorial Day, in a way to say that we are proud to be Americans, and we're also proud to take care of those that have served our country. And so, as you can see, this landscape is shaping itself up in an exceptional fashion with this beautiful design. We've been able to take out all those trees, as you guys would have seen. I'm going to post some more videos, don't worry, but I did want to make sure I got a before video on here as we go through this process, as so many people on our YouTube channel say, hey guys, show me the before videos, show me the before videos. And so here are the before videos that are being brought to you exclusively right here at Brooks Landscaping, product of the Landscape Geek Learning Academy, where we help landscape professionals as well as homeowners come up with ways in which they can begin to get ideas and solve some of their landscape problems. I showed you guys earlier where when you're doing a sod installation, you want to make sure that you're taking out about 2 to 3 inches of that dirt, so that way your sod lays down on the concrete beautifully. In addition, you also want to make sure that you put yourself in a position that says that you've tilled this ground up and gotten rid of all that grass that was once present on the landscape. And a lot of times it's necessary that you kill the grass. That's what we did here. We killed that grass, and then it made it a lot easier for us to be able to ensure that this landscape was going to be able to take on the ZEON ZOYSIA sod installation. So when you're putting in a grass that is so beautiful as this, you also want to make sure that you got everything in place to make sure that your grass will last. So I'll be back, guys, and I'll show you as this landscape continues to unfold on this beautiful Monday, Memorial Day. And as I've been doing, I want to do it again, give you a Monday motivation. And it just simply says that you are the creator of everything that you want in business, in life, or whatever it may be. And so you have to begin to accept that it's you. It's not your circumstances. It's not the things that you've been through. It's not your past. It's not the things that you're faced with or the challenges that you may be up against. It's going to be you, your ability to look within inside of yourself and find out what it is that you want, to come up with a plan that is able to be executed based on the goals that you set in place. And as you begin to set goals, as you begin to put plans in place, as you begin to come up with systems and practices, it says that because you're a creature of habit, your subconscious is going to begin to recognize that, and it's going to be able to bring forth that which you so desperately want. And I want to make sure that on this Monday, everybody understand that it's not about the circumstances that you're faced with. It's about your ability to look beyond those and find that which is inside of you and to begin to use it in order to make happen for you whatever you want in life. I started out with a push mower, guys, in the back of a little Nissan Maxima. I would go out to these job sites and I would knock on the door and I'd ask them, can I cut your grass? Can I cut your grass? Some of them would say yes, but most of the time they would say no. And it didn't discourage me. It made me stronger. It made me want to work harder. It gave me the ability to believe that my life was bigger than that of just knocking on doors. And so I took up more studies into marketing and social media marketing, and that gave me the ability to create a Facebook business page. And I realized back in 2010 that this is going to be the way in which I was going to be able to blow my company up, by being able to market to people that are on Facebook. It was revolutionary at the time. I was thought to be crazy. Nobody believed that this would be something that would be able to generate so many leads and have so many people inspired. All you gotta do is go to brookslandscaping.tv. You can see all those videos. We've been putting them up for a decade now, guys. But it wasn't easy. And I learned that when you do what is hard, your life becomes easy. But when you try to do what is easy, your life becomes hard. So I hope that you guys understand that this road, this fight, this battle that you're up against, it may seem a little hard, but if you can continue to take that next step each and every day, moving forward toward those things that you're passionate about, and to create that burning desire, you gotta believe. But when you believe in something that is greater than that of what you can see, you're going to be able to create something that you never even imagined. And that's what happened for me. And I continue to tell my story on the next episode of Brooks Landscaping Outdoor Landscape Transformations, all brought to you by the Landscape Geek Learning Academy. Talk to you guys later.